approved. Okay, so I'm looking at about a 2.5 day growth here. Now, if you remember the last shave I did, I used the Proglide from Gillette Proglide Shield because of overwhelming response from you guys. You wanted to see this. I gave you 3 options. Chill, which provides a cooling lubrication. Proglide Shield, which provides extra lubrication. Or Proglide Power. Now this provides vibration through the handle, through the head or the cartridge, which is supposed to theoretically promote the hair standing straight up and promotes better cutting. Second most votes came in for the Shield. So let's get that out, unbox it, and get going with it. Honestly, I thought that the Power would get the most hits. This got maybe 1 or 2 votes. So the claim to fame with Gillette Proglide Shield is extra lubrication. So if you're sensitive or you like just more protection, more cushion, that's what this is supposed to give you. Same form factor as the other Proglide blades or cartridges. Same flexible head. The variation is just more lubrication. So let's pull it out. Take a look. Again, love the box. The packaging, the marketing is on point. And much, much easier to open these boxes than those bubble wrap plastic cases that we used to get, the bubble wrap plastic cases that we used to get. Again, we're green here, recycled cardboard, very light. You've got the razor and an extra cart. So let's pull that out. Nicely designed razor, guys. Just beautiful. Again, solid core, rubber on either side. So it's nice and grippy, never slippy. Nice. Good pivoting head. You've got your flex ball technology. Let's get rocking. Since we are using Gillette, we're gonna go with Gillette Pure. This is a nice gel, free of all sorts of chemicals and soothing aloe, and it works very nicely. So first thing, I'm gonna add some near hot water. I've just jumped out of the shower, but setting up, the pores have had a chance to close up a little bit. You wanna go with near hot water, or you wanna shave in the shower so your pores are open, hairs are ready to be cut, your face is ready to receive the blade. Near hot, you don't wanna go too hot and burn yourself. Your skin is sensitive, guys. All right, we're gonna load up with a little bit of this Pure. Nice gel. Foams up nice. But it's not too much and not too oily. Lots of gels tend to be sort of oily. But you see a nice thin layer of protection there. Feel that calm aloe. All right, we're gonna go with 2 passes. We're gonna go 1 pass with the grain of the hair. So hair grows down, we'll be shaving down. I've got a light touch going, and this feels oh so nice. Oh so smooth and lots of contact. So what I mean by that is I can feel the blades connecting with the skin. Gillette does a great job, we all know that. They've been in the business for a long time and really have come to perfect the cartridge shaving experience. Effortless, easy, I'm using light pressure, guys. Now, if you're new to shaving, even if you're not new to shaving, a lot of people make mistakes, guys. They're digging too much. They're trying to get every last hair. If you have a coarse beard, or if you're light-skinned and you have a dark hair, you know, sometimes, guys, you're just not gonna get it all out. Sometimes you're just not gonna get it all. You can't dig it out. Digging causes irritation, causes ingrown hairs, nicks, tugs, cuts, and you don't want any of those. So whisper soft with the grain. That's a nice shave. We're gonna go for our second pass, which is gonna be against the grain, guys. So I'm gonna be shaving upward this time. With cartridges, I'm gonna contain myself to 2 shaves. More passes, more chance of irritation, more chance of cuts, nicks, ingrown hairs. Oh yeah, nice. Smells good, it's calming, soothing. And you can get it lathered up if you'd like. Just depends on how much water you add and how much you work it. So now we're gonna shave against the grain. We're gonna be shaving up. I'll start on the neck, light. See how I have now the handle or the grip is way up towards the end because I'm whispering. Still getting the feedback, but I'm not using lots of pressure. You're not digging, guys, you're shaving. We're gonna shave today. But you still get the feedback. And you wanna take your time. You wanna take your time and do it right. All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Nice. I had a little bit more pressure on the flat areas and pull back on the curvature, around the chin, around the sensitive bits. But on my cheeks where you know it's flat, you don't have any issues, just a little bit more pressure you can use. Where you don't want to have that pressure, in here on the neck, you want to actually pull back. Take your time. I had a weeper here the other day. So the lube does provide a nice cushion, guys. A little grabby in here. I'm feeling that. Starts to grab, you just pull back. Your body will let you know. Your face will let you know. So in this area, in these areas, trim it up. This comes with a precision trimmer on the back side. As precision trimmers go, you really don't want to use a lot of pressure. You could do a cross grain shave. Around these areas. I like to do a cross grain in here. You feel those extra bits that haven't been attended to. But other than that, guys, very, very nice. Little weeper. Remember, it got a little grabby there. Now, rinse off with cold water, close the pores up. That'll help with that weeper you have there if it's still continues to weep, we can go with our green sticks. But let's rinse off with some cold water and see what happens. I'm feeling a couple of areas where I still have a little bit of stubble. Now, if I'm like Jimmy G and I'm chasing BBS, Baby's Bottom Smooth Shave, I could attend to those. But I've been shaving every couple of days, and I want to give my face a little bit of a break. Now, a couple ways we can go here. You can use a little bit of this gel as your aftershave, if you'd like. The healing properties of aloe. Smell is good, very nice. Or choose the aftershave that you like. That weeper seems to be gone bye-bye for now. It's just a slight, and you can feel it. You feel that tug. Don't keep forcing yourself in there. Recognize that your body or your face is telling you something. But let's pull out the green stick just to make sure. And that reminds me, I've neglected to put my green sticks in the description box below, but I won't this time. It's a little green stick. It's a razor nick remedy from Barber Up. Looks like a book of matches. It's kind of cool. Very portable. You take it, you dip it in water, and you address those little nicks. I got a few of them now. You'll feel a little bit of a burn, a little bit of a sting, but it works really well. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know I was growing a beard for a while, and someone told me, one of the viewers, I can't remember, they said, you know, you'll notice that your skin is more sensitive now after you've grown the beard out for a while. And, you know, I didn't believe it, but I usually don't get little nicks like that, even if I shave every day. So not shaving for over 50 days, coming back to it. But I'll tell you guys, I'm enjoying getting back to shaving, have a nice baby's bottom smooth skin. You know, as we go or get into this year, I'll probably bring back the goatee and some other variants, maybe a mustache, just to do some things that are different. And you know, you never know. You might see the beard towards the back end of the year. But there you go, guys. So really, out of the two, the Chill or the Shield, I actually prefer the Shield. It seemed to add a little bit more lubrication. It was a smoother shave, albeit I had a little bit more stubble when I attacked my face with the Chill. But out of the two, I'm going slight lean to the Shield. So there you have it, guys. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Remember, in a couple of days, I'll be back with the Gillette Proglide Power. We'll see how this stacks up against these first two. And don't forget, all the products I feature here, I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you can have them sent to you from Amazon. They'll come right to your door, guys. And to me, you get something, I get something. That's a win-win. All right, I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. We'll see you next time.